Yes, indeed. So as you can see for today's review, we have another Amazon Prime package. Let's jump straight in. So as you see, we've got a pretty small box. And in today's box, we have the FBZ 4-piece car audio tools, pry bar, and scraper set for audio trim. Door panel, molding, dash, audio, radio, upholstery, clip, and fastener, non-scratch nylon fiber design. So, we'll jump straight into it. First thing you'll notice, these tools are awfully shiny, which lets us know that they are metal. So, as for the non-scratch nylon design, that's not on the tools themselves. As you can see, all the tools are made of metal. Now, the handles could possibly be what they mean when they say non-scratch nylon design, which I'm not sure how that would benefit you with the handle being in your hand. The actual part that you're using is metal, so I'm assuming it could possibly scratch if you don't take care in using the tools. Other than that, I said there's a 4-piece. The larger of the two, the orange handle, has the larger pry tool. The smaller of the two is the blue handle, which is pretty much identical, just a little smaller pry on it. The other two seem to be identically the same. Like I said, all of them are made of metal, so the non-scratch nylon advertising that they did is pretty much hogwash. But getting past that, the tools do seem to be pretty nice and sturdy. Just as I said, they are made of metal, so you want to take care when removing those gentle plastic pieces on your car dashes, as these could scratch or possibly even break. As with anything, you need to take care with it. Not too much to be said. I'll leave a link in the description for anyone who might want to check it out. And also I'll leave a link in the description for the giveaway. These are going to be given away, just not on this channel. Yes indeed, for today's review, we're out of there.